Hi, this is Cheri McGaffin II, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Here's our Kangen water machine that we brought with us to our beach house in Mexico. And when we came, underneath this sink was a ton of chemical cleaners. And so we removed all those chemical cleaners because I don't want them to, you know, with our baby boy Timmy, who's 2 years old, he can open up this cabinet, fidget around in there, get the chemical cleaners. It could be, you know, they're very poisonous. So we took all those out, we put them on a shelf really high in another room in the house, and all we use here is this. And this is just Kangen water, strong acidic water, 2.5 pH. And you make it when you just push the button here.
Strong acidic water.
And it comes out of this bottom hose here, and you just put a glass here and you collect it, and then I put it in my spray bottle. But this, you know, so then you just, now we have, this is all natural, and it kills everything. It kills MRSA, and bleach doesn't even kill MRSA, but this does. It kills E. coli, it kills everything. So a lot of hospitals, especially in Japan and Asia, they use this instead of bleach. And they don't have the same MRSA problem that hospitals here in the US have. And it's all natural. I can put this in my mouth, and it's a natural mouthwash and a teeth whitener. It kills strep. But try putting bleach in your mouth. That's not going to be good, but you can put this in your mouth and it's going to kill everything. And you just gargle it and spit it out. And so I just want to show you guys that. And we've also been using the waters to clean our produce, the 11.5 water pH that comes out of here. You can use it to clean all the pesticides off your produce. And of course we've been drinking the 9.5 water here. And so here we are at our beach house in Mexico with our Kangen water machine. We travel with it everywhere we go. And you guys, thanks for watching. Remember, champions never quit.